Welcome back to the channel, guys. 297 Mods here, back with another video for you today. In today's video, we're gonna work with the garden hose reel that we bought. This is from Giraffe Tools. I bought this a couple of weeks ago. We actually had it installed. Not even the concrete pad was laid down, but now, after weeks of use, I've been getting tired of unscrewing this on and off to get to my pressure washer. So today, as the title description, we're gonna add some quick connects on a garden hose reel. Let me show you what I got. This quick connect set, I bought it from Amazon. It's not a sponsored video, but if you're kind enough to use my link, it will give me a kickback on your purchase. Now this, I bought a 4-piece. There's 6 and 8, even 20 pieces. For me, 4-piece should be more than enough. It's a very simple install, so basically just by looking at it, this one you push in and this one slides right in. So this goes on one end of the garden hose and this one to whatever you want to do it. So I'm gonna show you how it works. The only thing you need extra from this is basically Teflon. So if you don't have Teflon, I will leave this link down in the description. And other than that, it even comes with seals, which is very nice. Most of them don't come with extra seals. As you can see here, it has a seal already in here, and it came with extra ones, which is always handy. Now, let me show you how it works. Once you have your Teflon tape, first thing you want to do, make sure the water line is closed. Then you want to unscrew whatever you have attached. Now, this time around, this setting, or this fitting basically, will go here. Now, you want to put the Teflon tape on it. While I'm doing that, just to give you an idea, this is nothing only specific for a hose reel. This can be done on any other garden hose you have. So the end of this is basically a garden hose at the end. It's not a pressure washer. I'll go to the pressure washer next. You want to put just 2 layers. That should be more than enough. Alright. Now, just gonna screw this one on it. Alright. Now that you got one side done, let's do to the other side. Basically, you grab the Teflon again. And you're gonna hit 2 rounds. And then you basically screw it on here. Nice and tight. Remember this one, pull back, push it in, and it clicks back on. So it looks very good to go. Now let's go to the pressure washer and let's continue there. For the pressure washer side, you will only need one fitting, which is the same one that I actually connected on the handle over there, on the spray. Now for this one, similar. Now one thing I want to add here is that this quick connect is not specifically for a hose reel. You can actually use it on any garden hose. So let's say you have to do any other attachment on a garden hose, this will actually work. For this side, it's actually universal where the garden hose goes in. And got an extra layer here. Actually, let me make this a little bit easier for me. Everybody's pressure washer is a little bit different. So I'm gonna make it nice and tight here. And while I'm at it, I'm gonna add just service get a little bit more Teflon here. Now, with that being said, my pressure washer here is a Sanjo. You can buy them on, I bought this for like, I think $100. I've been running this same pressure washer for over 4, probably even 5 years now. And it has been working amazing. And similar, you have some quick connects that you can add to it. The quick connects on the pressure washer is totally different than the one that you will use on the garden hose, just FYI. And if you have any interest on doing that, I will leave a link into the description, which I've break down this whole setup on how you can get the quick connects right here on this side. You can even see that it's been a little bit rusted because I've been using this pressure washer for many years now, and it still works fine. So now that that is tight, we're gonna connect it. Let me show you how to connect it. Guys, if you don't have a garden hose reel yet, I really suggest you to get one. It's not sponsored again. I bought it off Amazon, link down in the description. This is one of the most enjoyable things I've actually done to my backyard, other than the hot tub probably. But basically, you lock it right there. This is for me enough slack to get to my pressure washer, but this one is 135 feet. So you can basically do anything around your house. Unless you have a mansion, then probably you might need two of those. But let me get to the pressure washer now, which is on the other side of this fence. And this is all I was looking for. Once I get here, take this off and connect that one in. That's, I don't have to every time unscrew and screw and unscrew again. Thankfully, with the garden hose reel and now with the quick connects, I will enjoy washing the car even more. So let me open the line and see how it streams. Obviously, there will be some water pouring on this side. I don't want to get the whole garden hose for the pressure washer hose, I mean, out. But if the water goes out here, we know everything works fine. Okay, moment of truth. I'm the other side of the fence, all the way at the house. I'm gonna open the line right now. The stream is going down. I hear it. Let me walk over. And it works. So let me see. There, I can see a very tiny leak here. That's a Teflon on my end on the pressure washer itself. But on the fitting itself, absolutely no leak, which is nice. Such a cheap investment. Takes about probably 5 to 10 minutes to install everything, but it works. With that being said, hope you guys like this kind of video. If there's anything else you want to know, let me cut off this water line and then I'll get you on the next one. Out. While you guys are still here, let me show you. Once you're done, you just disconnect it here and connect it back to the garden hose. Gone.